So here's how I decide what my next book is going to be about. And yeah, this example's kinda of wild, but stay with me. I pop unicorn into Publisher Rocket's keyword search. And I'm gonna be looking at three key things here. First, the competitive score. If it's near 100, then skip it. Next is the estimated searches. If nobody's typing it in, what's the point? And finally, the average monthly sales or the average monthly earnings. Is it even worth my time? Now let's kinda say I find something like unicorn fart. Kinda hilarious, but Rocket says it has a low competition score of 30, gets searched, and is making decent money. Not bad, right? But I don't just run with it. I click over the competition analyzer and look at the top ranking books. What's their cover like? How many reviews do they have? And can I stand it out? This is exactly why I use Publisher Rocket before I write anything else. Click the link in the description to check it out. It helps me find quirky, fun, profitable ideas before I waste time writing a book nobody's searching for.